Mr. President, I move that the Senate President will now take his oath as the presiding officer of the impeachment proceedings, Mr. President. I so move, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none. Motion is the motion is approved.
I think the patch upon the
Chair would like to call on the Senate Secretary to ascend the rostrum to administer the oath.
Maybe one of the cars parked at Bill still has to charge it.
We can handle it.
Help me.
Sir, dito kay sir.
The least I can do. Thank you.
Sige, sir. Sir, please raise your right hand and repeat after.
Walang mic, sir.
Okay na, sir. Importante kayo na matinig.
I, Francis G. Escudero,
Solemnly swear
that in all things
Gonna arrest me?
appertaining to
the trial of the impeachment of
the trial of the impeachment of
Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte,
Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte, now pending,
I will do impartial
With the
justice
knife.
I will do impartial justice
Bring
according to
moral.
the Constitution
according to the Constitution
and laws of the Philippines.
and laws of the Philippines.
So help me God.
I want
Help me
them
God.
I want them out here.
Mr. President.
Senator Villanueva.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Mr. President, may I respectfully move that the senator judges take their oath at 4 o'clock in the afternoon tomorrow, June 10, 2025. And again, reiterate, Mr. President, what this representation made mention a while ago, that after the oath-taking of the senator judges, the court will be constituted, but not convened yet, Mr. President. Thank you, Mr. President. So
Duly
moved.
noted and entered into the records. Is there any objection to the motion? Hearing none. Motion is approved. Majority Leader.
Mr. President, a while ago during the parliamentary discussions prior to your oath-taking ceremony, Mr. President, this representation noticed and heard during several instances the word agreements, whether that referred to something or not. Mr. President, just for our transcript purposes and for the Journal of the Senate, I move to strike out the word agreements in our transcripts and substitute the same with the phrase constitutional provisions or constitutional requirements in order to reflect that the subject matter discussed a while ago is governed not by consensual agreements, but by binding legal obligations emanating from the Constitution itself. I so move, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none. Motion is approved without prejudice to amendments further being made to the journal before we approve them. We approve it rather.
Pwede na? Pwede na? Can I make a manifestation?
Mr. President, 1 minute suspension.
Session is suspended.